Hey, what's this?
Kid, watch out! Steam vent!
Phew! Thanks, Sam. And look, a condor feather. One of the chicks must be close by.
Over here! Woohoo! Over here!
There she is!
Help!
But how will we get past all these steam vents?
Looks like they're erupting in a pattern. We'll have to time it just right. Come on,
Are you sure about this?
follow my lead. Now stop. And go. Wait. Go.
Gotcha!
Nice move!
Thanks. Guess now we've got to head back through and do it all in reverse.
Or I've got another idea.
What are you...
Just follow my lead.
Our baby!
Oh, we were so worried. Just one chick left.
Please hurry.
He can't fly yet.
Come on.
This volcano's about to erupt.
Sam, listen. That's the call of an Andean condor chick. And it's coming from down there.
The last chick. Don't worry, we're coming for you. Kids, a little help?
This chick's too heavy. We have to go back.
What do we do now?
Listen, little buddy. To get out of here, you're gonna have to fly on your own.
Me? Fly? But how?
I'm wondering the same thing.
Look, condors have some of the widest wingspans of any bird. With such big wings, they can use rising currents of hot air to lift themselves up into the sky. And since we're literally in the middle of a lava lake,
There's plenty of hot air all around us. Look, there's a current.
I don't know about this.
You can do it. Just follow our lead and aim for that hot air. Going up.
okay, your turn.
Just like Mom and Dad said, spread your wings, tuck your tail feathers, and flap! Whoa! I'm doing it! I'm flying!
Way to go, buddy. Uh-oh, the eruption's starting.
Quick, time to fly.
Oh no! They're too late! Mom! Dad!
Son!
Look! I'm flying! Son, you're safe! Did you guys see me flying?
We did, and we're so proud of you.
Thanks for saving our chicks, agents.
It was our pleasure, ma'am.